Hello, what's up everyone? This is your Irsad Ahmad. Today once again I come back with another video and I hope that guys you are doing well at your home. As you guys are watching that B Unique classes is going on here, and today I come back with another video and I will provide you some another class. As far as I would like to make you understand for my class today I'm gonna provide to my student group debate, and I hope that you guys will love it a lot because you guys are gonna learn many things from here. As you guys are seeing that there are some students are this side and some students are this side. So I would like to give one topic, and topic is that should students do job while doing study or not. So my topic is that once again I want to make you understand should a student do job while studying or not. So I'm gonna ask the question to Kusal. What do you think, Mr. Kusal, about this topic? Should a student do job while study or not?
Sir, I think not, because sir, it is a very bad thing, and it is also not a good thing in our India, sir. It is a sir, with the help of this, sir, in our India, lots of unemployed person are present because of that, sir. Because those persons are also work and also study, sir. Those persons have not constrained the mind reading and also working. That is why.
So Mr. Kusal sir is saying that students should not do job while studying, because if the students will do job while studying, then they will be not full concentrated, and if they will be not full concentrated, then they can't happen to do anything in their life. So I'm gonna ask from the another side that what would you like to say, Miss Kalpana? Ma'am, what would you like to say?
So I think, sir, and according to me, we should do part-time job, because here we can see that in our parents have already lots of responsibility to pay our fees. So it is also make the responsibility. Then when we are doing to part-time job, then we can also pay our fees to study.
So Miss Kalpana ma'am is saying that if student will earn money while studying, means they will do job, then they can earn lot of money. So what do you think, Mr. Hariom sir, about this?
Sir, if I talk about if any student they are a part-time job, in job they are working in a 12 hour, and after that they are coming in the home, after that they are rest, then they are reading only 2 and 4 hours. Then if they are reading only 2 and 4 hours, they can't succeed in life, because in this time competition is very hard. And if when you are reading 12 hour 13 hour, after that you are competitive level you are coming, and after that you can't coming.
Okay. So Mr. Hariom sir is saying that as you guys are watching, as you guys have listened each and everything, that Mr. Hariom sir is saying that if a student will do job, then they will do job at least 10 hours or 12 hours. That will be very much for them. They will get only 2 or 4 hours for doing study. That will be not good for any student, and they can't happen to be successful in their life. So what would you like to say, Miss Ria ma'am? What would you like to say
So
about
just I am saying to you, sir, in my opponents are saying that in I have a 24 hours. In my question, in my answer is that I have a 24 hours. So if I am doing 8 hours study, and after that I have a lots of time. If I do 4 times rest, and after that 12 hour I have a time 12 hours. So after that 8 hour I will do work. I will do job also, and 4 hour also I have. So I can sleep also. So why my opponents they are asking to me, I have no times and I don't read very carefully. So in my according they have a lack of knowledge. So that's why they are asking to me such a this type of thing.
Okay, as Miss Ria ma'am is saying that if I'll talk about the study time, so she is saying that there are 24 hours in a day. So in that 24 hours, a student can read. If they are doing job at least 8 hours, still they have at least 16 hours. In that 16 hours, they can read 8 or 6 hours, and after eight remaining 8 hours they can sleep and they can take rest, or they can whatever they want they can do. So what do you think, Mr. West sir, about it? What do you think, Miss Ria ma'am is right or not?
No, no, sir. In this time, the Ria ma'am the totally wrong. Because of that, sir, we have a 24 hour. If you go anywhere for getting the job, then after that they will also says to you, if you will do the 12 hour job, then after that you will uh, get the job. So then I says the Ria ma'am, the if you go anywhere, then you will get the job from 12 hour. Then you have a save your 12 hour. Then what will you do in 12 hour?
Okay, as Mr. Vast sir has explained each and everything, as you guys have listened, he has spoken really very well, and I hope that you guys got each and everything that whatever he has spoken. Mr. Vast sir has spoken that if the any student will do 12 hours job, suppose that if you are going in any company, then interviewer will say to you that you need to do job at least 12 hours. In that 12 hours, if a student will do job, so for remaining 12 hours, Vast sir is saying that 12 hours is not enough. A student can't happen to prepare for their study. So what would you like to say, Miss Ansika ma'am?
So, sir, I'm saying that Vaz sir, before some time, Vaz sir are also saying that I have 12 hours, then I'm also do any type of things. Then, sir, in this time, students are do job while studying. Then his childhood is subject are also revised and his future is also make success and I'm talk about UPSC exam and IS exam. Then students are revise his subject, and he is also teach in school. He is also teach in school. 6 to 12th, then many subjects are revised, and he's also cleared the UPSC exam and IS exam.
Okay, as Miss Ansika ma'am is saying that if a student will teach in the school, so it will be good job for them, and if they will teach at least 12 hours in a day, so it will be their revise. Means each and everything that whatever. Suppose that if that person is doing preparation of governmented job, also it will be good preparation work for that man or for that woman. So I would like to ask Mr. Asif sir, what do you think about it? Is it right or not?
No, sir, it is totally bad because, sir, they are also very bad if you're doing the lots of the hard work, and after that very well what is the syllabus of the UPSC. Very well if you're doing there is a lots of the student giving the lots of time for your study. It is the if you thinking that the I am doing the while the studying or doing the job, it is the totally bad because well if the little time you're also doing the job I expected, but very well what is the benefits of there is, and I think there is lots of the any types of the benefit if you're giving there lots of time for your study, then one day you can also become a so great and a IS like a PCS, sir.
Okay, as Mr. Asif sir is speaking about as Miss Anshika ma'am has spoken about that UPSC and many other things. If any students will teach in the school 6 to 12, then they can also learn their syllabus. So Mr. Asif sir is saying that it was you cracking UPSC is not a child's play. Means nobody can crack the UPSC without doing at least 12 hour or 14 hours study. So what do you think, Miss Simi ma'am, about this? Mr. Asif sir is right or not?
So before some time, my opponent are also saying that we have also 24 hours. Doesn't matter we have 24 hours or not. But if I'm talking about if you are reading the concentrate of mind 3 to 4 hours, then if you are reading the minded of concentrate, then you are success in your life.
Okay, so ma'am is saying that hours doesn't matter because if you will do study with full concentration, then you can be success in your life. Ma'am is saying that if you will do study with full concentration, doesn't matter you are doing 3 hours or 2 hours, but you can be success in your life. What do you want to say about it, Aryan sir? What do you think about it? She is right or not?
No, sir, she is not right because before some time I listened that Anska ma'am is telling that we teach a student for 12 hours. Then she also know that teachers has do schools work to teach their student, and they also had to uh, complete their lessons. Then they do not crack any type of exams. That is why, sir.
Okay, so as you guys have listened that Mr. Aryan sir also given his point of view, and I hope that you guys loved it a lot. So I'm gonna ask the question to Miss Sapna ma'am. What do you want to say in Aryan sir questions answer?
So, sir, my answer is that I wanna say Aryan sir is wrong because you know that if we are doing any types of job, then we should also do hard work. And I want to also give you one example of IPS Manoj Sharma. He have also cracked exam of IPS, and he is doing a lot of well. And I want to tell you that he's not only doing study, he is also doing job. Because if you want to know a lot of things about this, and then you can search in Google, and you can know a lot of things about this. And I want to say that we can also achieve anything if we will do job, or we will not do.
Okay, as you have guys listen about the 12th fail movie, so Miss Kalpana ma'am have explained each and everything about 12th fail movies, that there was a Manoj Sharma who was struggling too much, and he was also doing job, and while doing job he used to do his preparation of UPSC. So one day he cracked the exam of UPSC. So I would like to ask to you guys that Miss Kalpana ma'am is saying that if you will read less hours, and with job also you can do your study well. There is no need of lots of hours or lots of time for doing any kinds of preparation. You can manage each and everything with your part-time job also. What do you want to say, Mr. Anbhosov?
Yes, sir.
What do you think? Ma'am is right or not?
No, sir. You are study carefully, and you are not do any types of work. Suppose you are doing a work, and you are uh, break a study. I am not talk about you are do work. You are any types of do work, but study are read carefully.
Okay, so Mr. Anbho sir is saying that if you will do any kinds of study while doing your job, so you can't happen to do a study, because he is saying that if you will do any kinds of work, then you will not get much time to read, and you can't happen to make yourself prepare for anything. So what do you want to say about it, Miss Mahima ma'am?
Yes, sir. Before some time, my opponents members are saying that the UPSC syllabus are very hard. If I'm talking about the teachers, if the teachers, you know very well, in this time their ninth and 10th syllabus are very next level. And if the student teachers are taught the student, they will also revision. And if the teachers students are not understanding the every any question, they have go to the home and revise the question and ask to the and taught the students. That's why I'm saying that, sir, if the students are while doing the job for studying, then
They will do easily, right? So as Miss Mahima ma'am explained each and everything, that if a student, if any student will teach to students and will go at home and revise each and everything, that will be well enough for him for doing any kinds of preparation. So I would like to ask the question to Mr. Imran sir. What do you think about
Sir,
it? Is it right or not?
yes, sir, it is not wrong because sir, in this time lot of students not want a part-time job because sir, it is lots of pressure in the student. In that's why sir, part-time job is very not good.
Part-time job is not good, you want to say. So as Mr. Imran sir has spoken about the part-time job is not good, so I would like to ask Alia ma'am, what do you think, part-time job is good for a student or not?
no, sir.
Why do you think it is not good?
Because the students do hard work. And if the students are do part time job, then the students are sick. And
So as you guys are watching that, Miss Alia ma'am has spoken in her opponent's side. She has spoken that if a student will do any kinds of job while studying, then they can be sick. So what do you think, Anshika ma'am? Alia ma'am is right. She is your team member. Still, she is saying like that. Miss, if a student will do any kinds of job while doing study, then they can be sick. What do you think about it?
My thinking is that, sir, also my opponent is saying that it is good because students should have part time job. So suppose that, sir, have parents are poor, so on that time their student should job, so student should also do job, so on that time student will also do their studies very well. And students should have not money, so on that time student will have a do job, so on that time he will help their study. That's why I'm
Okay,
saying.
she is saying that if a student will do job for any kinds of things, suppose that if he is unable or she is unable to do any kinds of study, that whatever they want to do, so easily they can do if they will do job. So what do you think, Mr. Aftab sir, about it? It is right or not? Students should do job while studying or not?
Yes, no, sir. According to no, sir, he is just totally wrong, sir. In this times, government has allowed we have some property we can loan, and after that you study in very well, sir.
Okay. So as you are saying that Mr. Aftab sir is saying that instead of doing job, you can take loan from any company. So what do you think, Astha ma'am? Taking loan is good for us, means we can take loan from any company and we should not do job while studying. It is good or not?
uh, no sir, this is not good for, because uh, when we take loan, then we are very we are very, come in very high problem.
Okay. So as Miss Astha ma'am is saying that if we'll take loan, so we will come in very high problems. Means we need to pay it anyhow. So what do you think, Mr. Priyan sir? Miss Astha ma'am is saying right. Means we should take
No,
loan.
sir, Asthma is very wrong. Because sir, you are success after that you are give money in loan taken. Why are problem? Why are problem, ma'am?
Okay. So Mr. Priyan sir is saying that if you will be successful in your life, then you can easily take loan. You can easily pay the loan and each and everything that whatever you have taken from the government. So what do you think, Miss Altama ma'am? He is right or not? Means students should take loan or not? What do you think?
Not, sir.
Why, ma'am? Why do you think students should not take loan? She is a new student. She doesn't want to speak. I hope that from the next video she will speak. So I'm gonna ask to my next student. So my next student is Mr. Tawfiq sir. Mr. Tawfiq sir, what do you think? While doing study, a student should do job or not? What do you think about it?
So it's my opinion. The loan is very hardly because person is struggle. Then no use for the loan.
Okay. So I would like to make you understand, guys, as you're watching my video, I hope that you guys will love it a lot, because there are some kind of students who are really new in my video, and there are some students who are really experienced. So some of the students has explained each and everything really very well, and I hope that you guys will love it a lot. And there are some students who are really new today, and also I have given chance to them because I want to make you know that how the student of Bionic classes, then in the starting time how are they, and also I'll show you after few times the same video of that student, then you guys will come to know about that, means what kind of improvement they have made till now. So I hope that you guys will love this video a lot, and today I don't want to show my face, and I hope that from the next time also I'll come on the camera and you guys will enjoy it really very well. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope that you guys will like, subscribe, and comment in my channel, and will love a lot. And if suppose that if you want to any kinds of special queries, then you can ask any kinds of special debates or stage or walk and talks or whatever you want. You can just comment, or any kinds of topic whatever you have, you can comment in the comment section, and I hope that I will provide that kind of topic in the very next video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.